This is Surendra Kumar, School Assistant Bioscience, ZPHS Vaddekottapalli, Mandal Peddavangara, District Mahbubad. Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, fine. Today we are going to learn about playing with magnets. Okay. Students, you say simply, what is a magnet? You all might be played with magnets. So, you think and say what is a magnet? Okay? A magnet, it attracts metal things, especially made with iron. In our general life, we use in many ways magnets. Okay, following or not? Generally, magnets are used to attract pins, metal pins, nails, nuts, bolts, etc. Okay, students, like where do you get or observe these magnets? Simply, where do you get or observe these magnets? You think once. Simply, you observe in your surroundings at your house. In your house, refrigerators or almirahs are there. To the doors of refrigerators or almirahs, you may see what the metallic stickers stick to the doors. How they are sticking to the doors of refrigerators? The metallic stickers having small magnets at their back side. Okay, with the help of the small magnets, these stickers are sticking to the doors of refrigerators. Okay. Students, you say another use of magnets in your general life. Okay? Okay, what you said is right. Pin holder. You may go to any office, you observe there pin holders. A pin holder is like this, a box which is having or containing a ring magnet inside the cap. With the help of this magnet, pins are holding here. It is easy to take pins, pick pins one by one. It is the use of a pin holder. With the help of a ring magnet, we are using a pin holder. Okay. After that, students, let us discuss about how magnets were discovered. How magnets were discovered. In Greek, there was a shepherd named Magnus. Magnets. Okay, generally magnets are of two types. One is natural and the second one is artificial. Now we are discussing about natural magnets. This Magnus shepherd generally used to graze his sheep in the mountain areas. To control his sheep, he used a stick. He used a stick to this one end, a metal cap, a iron cap is there. And to get up and get down the mountains, he used the stick. One day, the stick stuck to a rock. It is hard to remove or separate them. So, he observed that in that rock there is a power. That power attracts the stick or that metal cap. That what we calling is magnetite. That power which is in the rock is magnetism. With that energy or power, that rock attracted that stick. Okay, this is about natural magnets. Later, people used the stones or rocks as natural magnets. Okay, let us discuss about artificial magnets, or those are also called as man-made magnets. Artificial magnets are in different shapes. What are they? Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, disc magnet, ring magnet, like so that. Other types of magnets, artificial magnets are also there. Students, you simply observe, it is a bar magnet, it is a horseshoe magnet, it is a ring magnet. You observe one by one. Okay, I will put here. Later, students, let us discuss about magnetic and non-magnetic substances. The substances which are attracted by magnets are called magnetic substances. The substances which are not attracted by the magnets are called non-magnetic substances. It is magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Students, today we discussed subtopics and important topics in playing with magnets. What are those? What is a magnet? Definition of magnet. Where do you get or observe magnets? How magnets were discovered? Types of magnets, natural magnets and artificial magnets. How natural magnets discovered? What are artificial magnets? Types of artificial magnets and magnetic substances and non-magnetic substances.